Shadows. I am on a bus, but I just got off my plane. Guess where I'm at? If you watched my last video, you know I am back in London for another week for an amazing Christmas time in London. Super excited. Gonna see some cool stuff that I didn't get to last time, and really this week in London is kind of dedicated to my mom. Didn't really want to talk about it too much. I don't want to bring you guys down, but she recently passed and she always wanted to go to London, so there's gonna be a lot of things I'm doing that are things that she would have wanted to do. So with that being said, let me wait for the bus. I still got to get to the tube, I still got to get to the hostel, I still got to set up for today. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Shadows. So as it said in the intro, my mom just recently passed, so I'm going to try to keep these next couple of vlogs relatively tear-free, fingers crossed. So yeah, she just recently passed, and over the week or so I've kind of been thinking about the dreams I've had and the passions I have, and realized that hey, 90% of what I dreamt of, passions I had, were pretty much hers to start with. She just kind of passed them on to me. So I've decided that the rest of the trip is going to be in memory and dedication to her. So we're going to be doing a lot of things that she would have liked to do. And one of those is, if you can see, we're in front of the British Museum. Now, I was here a couple months ago actually, and we did a whole day here. Today we're just going to roam around for a couple hours. I thought it'd be a great way to kick off the dedication vlogs to her, as she really loved history. She wanted to be an archaeologist when she was a kid. I wanted to be an archaeologist when I was a kid because she showed me these books and read me these stories, and she was the first person who gave me a book of mythology. So much so that like I said, I wanted to be an archaeologist. I remember she went to a teacher conference, and I had really great grades. The only thing my teacher kept saying is she can't spell favorite. I don't understand why she can't spell favorite, but she can spell archaeologist. And so it was kind of a thing with us, a running gag going on through the years. So listen, the first thing we're going to do is this, then we're going to go hit Somerset House. We're going to do a couple other really cool things. So let's go ahead and get in and check out the Historic Museum. This one's for you, Mom. Alright guys, we're going to start with ancient Egypt because that was her favorite. She studied it, she loved it, her greatest dream was to go to Egypt. So for now, this is the closest we're going to get. So let's head in and check out some Egyptian stuff, huh? Next up is Greece, her second favorite, mythology. Just gonna cruise through and see a few things. They have a great collection here in for Greece, so definitely a cool thing. I think she loved Egypt, but I think the Greek myths, if I remember right, were the first myths she ever really told me about. So it holds a special place, which is why I started my trip in Athens, was because it was kind of something we'd always wanted to do. We loved Greece so much that one of our novels is actually, that we wrote, is taking place in there, or has a background in it. Yeah, so we're gonna cruise through Greece.